The era of predictable Apple updates is officially over. As you are watching this, Apple has just pulled the trigger on a series of announcements that are sending shockwaves through the tech world. Most people were waiting for March, but Cupertino couldn't wait. They've just initiated what insiders are calling the January reset. If you think you know what's coming in 2026, you are missing the biggest part of the puzzle. We aren't just talking about a new chip or a slightly better camera. We are talking about the first two physical products of the year that have already dropped, and a secret pipeline of devices that are designed to dismantle the competition before the year even really begins. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Let's start with the news that just broke. Apple has officially introduced the second-generation AirTag. Now you might think it's just a tracker, but you would be wrong. This is AirTag 2.0, and it features a massive jump in connectivity range. Apple has integrated a second-generation ultra-wideband chip that doesn't just find your keys across the room, it finds them across the block. And for the privacy-conscious, they've introduced industry-first protections against unwanted tracking that are so advanced, they make the previous generation look like a prototype. This was a stealth drop, a press release launch that usually means one thing. Apple is clearing the deck because something much bigger is about to take center stage. But that was just the appetizer. The real story of January 2026 is the M5 Pro and M5 Max MacBook Pros. For months, we heard rumors that these chips were delayed, but Apple just proved the doubters wrong. This is the first time we are seeing 5G connectivity inside a Mac. Imagine being on a train, in a park, or at a remote trailhead, and having the full power of an M5 Max, a chip capable of rendering 8K video in real time, without ever searching for a Wi-Fi password. This is the death of the tethering era. This is Apple turning the MacBook into a truly standalone professional powerhouse. And the efficiency. We are looking at thermal designs that allow these machines to run cold while outperforming high-end desktop PCs that pull 10 times the power. But let's talk about the ghost product, the one everyone is whispering about but no one has seen on a shelf yet, the $599 MacBook. Yes, the rumors are true. Apple is preparing a budget-defying 12-inch MacBook aimed directly at students and Chromebook users. It's powered by a modified A18 Pro chip, the same silicon that redefined mobile gaming. By stripping away the bells and whistles and focusing on pure, localized AI performance, Apple is about to take over the education market in a way we haven't seen since the original iPad. This isn't just a laptop, it's a strategic weapon designed to bring the next generation of users into the ecosystem before they even graduate high school. And speaking of the ecosystem, let's look at the living room. The Apple TV 4K 2026 edition has just been teased, and it isn't just a streaming box anymore. With the A19 chip inside, Apple is finally making its move into serious gaming. We are talking about console-level graphics, ray tracing, and exclusive titles that run natively on your TV. This is the moment Apple Arcade finally grows up. They aren't trying to compete with Netflix. They are trying to compete with PlayStation and Xbox. Now, I want you to look closely at the Home Hub. This is the product that could define 2026. Leaks from the supply chain confirm that Apple is preparing a dedicated smart home display, a device that combines the simplicity of an iPad with the audio power of a HomePod. It's designed to be the brain of your house. It tracks your energy